everybody, today I have the LEGO Icons Ghostbusters Ecto-1 released back in 2020, and this set is based off of Ghostbusters Afterlife. So today I'll show you how to make the 1984 version of the car. And you only need these 5 very easy to find pieces. In the original movie there was no gunner seat, so we need to get rid of the hinges as well as move the door handle back. To do this you have to gently take the roof off, then you take off these windows, then you take the entire door off. Next you remove these windows and take off these smooth curved pieces. Then you remove the handlebar piece and replace it with this 1x7 plate. And beside this plate you place a 1x1 plate from your own collection. Now remove this section and take off this curved brick and this black plate. Then take off this hinge piece and replace it with a corner plate from your own collection. Now put your handlebar piece back on the build. Also put your black plate back on too. Now take the bottom section off and replace that hinge piece with a 2x2 plate from your own collection. Next add the bottom section back on and add that build to the rest of the door. Now you should be able to put the door back in place. All you gotta do now is put the 2 window sections back and also add those curved pieces. Now the door is done, so you can add the roof back on. Now on the other side of the car we need to remove this ladder, which is really easy as you can see right here. But removing this ladder reveals this bar piece sticking out, so you need to remove this panel and replace that bar piece with a 1x2 plate from your own collection. And make sure to add that wire back that was on the ladder. Back on the other side of the car we need to remove this whole contraption right here and disconnect that wire from that clip piece. And with that out of the way you can easily add the ladder just like this. Just make sure you push it down all the way. And also make sure you remove those clip pieces at the bottom. Now grab that 1x4 plate from your own collection and place it on the bottom of that build from earlier. And now place it back on the roof on the last remaining stud. And lastly, place that 1x1 clip back on and connect that wire to it. Now you have the 1984 version of the Ghostbusters Ecto-1.